Hello everyone, today our topic is how to send WhatsApp messages for payments in Pabbly subscription billing. So here our objective is that whenever we get new successful payment in Pabbly subscription billing, then I want to capture these details and I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that customer. For sending this message, we are going to use Vati, and here we have to create an integration between Pabbly subscription billing and Vati. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use triggers and action. In trigger application, we are going to use Pabbly subscription billing. In action application, I'm going to use Vati. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see how we can integrate Pabbly subscription billing and WhatsApp together. So here I want to notify my customers about the successful payment they have done and tell them about their order by sending an automated WhatsApp message. So for sending the message, we are going to use Vati, which is an application that enables businesses to receive and send messages on WhatsApp. And I will add Pabbly subscription billing at the checkout page of my website where I'm selling my product. So by adding this, I can use Pabbly subscription billing on my website. So here my objective is, whenever I get a successful payment through Pabbly subscription billing, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that customer automatically. So for this, I will create an integration between Pabbly subscription billing and Vati. So for that, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will only take 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in. And you will get to see this page. Here you will see all the apps that Pabbly offers. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here, we want to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here, we have to name our workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send WhatsApp message for payments in Pabbly subscription billing. And I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to select home here and I will click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action say do this. So trigger will be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first. And here my trigger application will be Pabbly subscription billing. So I'm going to select this. And I have to give a trigger event. So I will open this tab. And in this we have this successful payment option. So I'm going to select this. So successful payment will be my trigger event. And now I have to connect Pabbly subscription billing with Pabbly Connect. So for that, I'm going to use this Webbook URL, which is going to work as a bridge between Pabbly subscription billing and Pabbly Connect. And for connecting these two accounts, I need to follow all this instruction. So first I'm going to copy this Webbook URL. And I will go back to Pabbly subscription billing. Here I will find settings. So I'm going to open this. And in settings, I will find this Webbook setting. So I'm going to use this. Here, I have to add my Webbook. So I'm going to click here on Add Webbook button. And first, I have to name my Webbook. So I'm going to name it as testing. And now I have to select my product. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select all products here. So this will give response of all the products that I have in my Pabbly subscription billing account. Now I will select my plan. So my plan will be all plan. And I have to paste my Webbook URL here. So for that, I'm going to paste that Webbook URL that we have copied from Pabbly Connect. And now I'm going to scroll down. And in this payment option, I'm going to select this successful payment option. Now I will scroll down and I will click on save. So my Webbook is added successfully. Now I will click on OK and I will go back to Pabbly Connect. So here we have the response. So this is the response of adding the Webbook. So we have successfully added the Webbook. Now I will click on recapture Webbook response. I will click on yes. Now it is waiting for Webbook response. Now to get this response, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the checkout page of the product from my website. And in that checkout page, I'm going to fill dummy details and I'm going to make a test payment. So now let's go to make the payment. So I will open this checkout page. So this is the checkout page of this product, which is PHP course, and the plan is digital plan. So I'm going to fill dummy details here. So my first name will be dummy, last name will be user, email will be dummyuser@pabblytudes.com, and I will give a random phone number. So this is going to be my number. Now I have to fill billing address. So first I'm going to select my country. So I will open this tab and I will search for my country, which is India. And I will give my state. So I will open this tab and here Madhya Pradesh is my state. So I'm going to select this. Now I have to make the payment, and for getting the payment details, I'm going to use this test card and I will click here on success. So it has filled my card details. So this is in test mode. That's why I'm getting this test card. But in the real time, you will get the real details, and I'm going to click on complete order. And it says, thank you for your purchase. So my transaction here is successful. So I got this successful payment. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have received this new response. So the event type is payment success. So the first name of the customer is dummy, last name of the customer is user, and the email address is dummyuser@pabblytudes.com. And this is the country code IN. And this is the mobile number. Now I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to this customer to notify them about their successful payment and their order. So for that, I'm going to use this mobile number and I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message on this particular number of my customer. So for that, I will set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here my action application will be Vati. I'm going to select this. Now I have to give an action event. So I will open this tab, and here send template message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I will connect Vati with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click here on connect, and I will select this add new connection option. And to connect Vati, I have to give API endpoint and the access token. So for these two details, I will go back to Vati, and here I will go to API docs. And here we can see we have this access token and the API endpoint. So first I'm going to copy this API endpoint. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it here. Now for the access token, I will go back to Vati. I will copy this access token. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it here. Now I will click on save, and my connection here is successful. So for sending the WhatsApp message, I have these details. So I need to fill these details. First, I have to give the WhatsApp number. So for the WhatsApp number, I'm going to map that number. And for that, I'm going to use mapping. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'll click here. I'm going to open this response, and here I'm going to find my WhatsApp number. So this is the number of my customer. So I'm going to select this. So I have mapped my WhatsApp number. Now I have to select my template. So for this, let's go back to Vati. Here I will go to templates. So here you have to first create a new template and you have to get the approval. And I have taken the approval of this template. So I'm going to open this. So we are going to use this template, which is a payment message. The category is marketing, language is English, and the broadcast title is none. And this is the body of my message. So it says, hello, the name is variable here. So this is going to change according to the new payments that I'm getting and the customer. and we have received your payment and you will get your order very soon. Thank you for connecting with us, Team Pabbly. So this is the body of my message and I'm going to use this template. So I'm going to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So for selecting the template, I'm going to open this tab, and in this list, you will find all the templates that you have in your Vati account. And I'm going to use this payment message template. So I'm going to select this and I have to give the broadcast name. So let's go back to Vati. And here in the broadcast title, we have none. So I'm going to map this in Pabbly Connect. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to type none here. Now I have to give a custom params. This is the most important step. So I want to avoid mistakes here. So custom params should always be in this format. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. So custom params are always in name value pair. And in the name section, I'm going to clear this. And for the custom params, I only have one variable in my message, which is of name. So I'm going to type name here. So this is going to be my variable. Now for the value, I'm going to clear this blue. I'm going to map the name of my customer here. So I will open this response. And first I will give the first name. I will give a space. And I will give a last name. So I have mapped my details here and this is going to be my custom param. So in my custom params, I only have one variable which is of name and the value of that name is of my customer. So this is going to change according to the payments that we are getting. And if you have more than one variable in your custom param, you can just give a comma here and you can follow this format again. So now I have filled all my details here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have this response. So this has generated a contact ID. So this means that I have sent this automated WhatsApp message to this customer. Now to check this, let's open WhatsApp. And here we can see we have received this new message. So I'm going to open this message. So here we have this message. Hello dummy user, we have received your payment and you will get your order very soon. Thank you for connecting with us, Team Pabbly. So this is the same message that we have in our template. And we have sent this message automatically to the customer that we have received payment from in Pabbly subscription billing. So here our integration between Pabbly subscription billing and Vati is working successfully. We are sending an automated WhatsApp message to the customers that we are receiving payments from. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this integration between Pabbly subscription billing and Vati, such that whenever we are getting a new successful payment in Pabbly subscription billing, then we are using those details of the payment and we are sending an automated WhatsApp message to that customer by using Vati. So let's summarize what we did here. First, I have set up my trigger and my trigger application was Pabbly subscription billing and my trigger event was successful payment. Then I have set up my action and my action application was Vati and my action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description. So you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.